In front of me is INFINIX Zero 40, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching messages and selecting or creating a chat. Then use this plus at the bottom left corner, and to add an audio file, hit voice and record it. Hold it to record. Let's go to stop and add your recording. If you want to add a video file, click on video section and tap on a video you wish to attach. You can also hit camera. Hit camera, tap on video, record it, and then add it by clicking on this check mark. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!